Alright you guys, welcome back to my channel. I just made it to the island of Koh Lipe, otherwise known as the Maldives of Thailand. I'm going to be here for 5 nights, and together we're going to explore the beaches, try some delicious food, and just get a sense of the overall vibe. So super excited to be here. Right now I'm going to go check into my accommodation, which is only about a 5-minute walk from the pier. Let's go have a great time and explore this island together. My home base in Koh Lipe was KK Koh Lipe Resort. The room was simple, comfortable, and had everything I needed. But the real highlight was the location. Just off the walking street, close to some great restaurants, and only a 5-minute walk from the beach. Alright guys, I'm stoked to be here. And happy with my hotel accommodation. Paid around $40 US per night. And again, 5 nights right here off the walking street. So plenty of restaurants and bars and cafes. And a few minute walk to the beach, which I'm heading to right now. This is Sunrise Beach, probably the most popular beach on the island, and for good reason. The white sand and crystal clear water are absolutely beautiful, and you'll find plenty of spots along the beach to grab a cold drink and enjoy some great food. This water is absolutely lovely. Such a good temperature, sandy bottom, calm and perfect for swimming. I can only imagine this beach a little more in the morning hours, which I'm going to show you a little bit later on in this video. This is Sunrise Beach, so the sun's starting to go onto the other side of the island right now. Yeah, you also see Sunset Beach a little bit later in this video as well. Otherwise, I'm thankful that you guys are joining me and exploring this island with me, getting the first impressions here. And yeah, it's going to be an awesome time, so stay with me here for the rest of the journey. Alright you guys, start to a new day here. My first full day on the island of Koh Lipe. I had 2 delicious coffees. The coffee here in Thailand is outstanding, very, very good. Right now, I'm walking toward the beach and I'm gonna find a spot to relax. How is this for a morning swim? Absolutely gorgeous. Got this little cove beach right behind us. And the water is lovely. This is the beach right next to Ten Moons Resort. Beautiful beach. I'm gonna stay here for a while. Stop at a place called Zodiac Bar. Zodiac Bar, one of the most famous beach bars here. One of the most beautiful, stunning locations. This water is absolutely glowing turquoise and a perfect time of year to travel. This is mid-March. Super happy to be here. Cheers everyone. Zodiac Bar. Visit it when you're on the island. Guys, making my way out to Sunset Beach. It is about that time, maybe in about 20 minutes the sun's gonna go down. It's where everybody congregates and gonna hopefully see a beautiful sunset here. First one here in Koh Lipe. Let's go check it out. Guys, it's day 3 here on Koh Lipe and I'm totally enjoying the vibes. Super relaxed. The water has been absolutely mind-blowing for sure. Right now I'm walking out to Pattaya Beach. That's the beach where you arrive on the ferries on the speedboats. It looked absolutely gorgeous when we arrived, so I'm gonna go check out that beach and see what it has to offer. Let's go see what it's like, Pattaya Beach. I really enjoyed this end at Pattaya Beach. The water was crystal clear, the atmosphere was peaceful, and there weren't many people around. It's a great spot to relax in the shade, grab a cold drink, or a meal by the water. For a livelier atmosphere, with more restaurants and nightlife, just head to the other end. The food in Koh Lipe was another highlight of the trip. Most of the restaurants are located along the walking street, where you'll find everything from local Thai food to international cuisine. I stuck with mostly Thai dishes and had some amazing meals. The beachfront restaurants cost a little more, but the views and the atmosphere made it well worth it. The next day I took a long-tail taxi boat over to Koh Adang. It was only 200 baht for the round trip, and since you could choose the pickup time, I decided to take my time, explore the island, and just enjoy the quieter pace and beautiful scenery. Alright guys, I just made it over to Koh Adang, which is the island right real close to Koh Lipe. See it right here in front of me. Took about 10 minutes for the ride. It was 200 baht round trip, and it is very tranquil here. Not a person on this beach. The water is calm, crystal clear, and looks perfect for swimming, so I can't wait to get in. I'm gonna be walking around here just a little bit. I believe there's a place to grab food and drinks, although somebody mentioned yesterday it was closed, so we'll see if it's open. Otherwise, I'm going to spend a few hours here and just enjoy the tranquility of the island. This was a solid pick coming to Koh Adang today. Absolutely gorgeous. It's a little less windy and it's super tranquil. Just a little break from, I won't say craziness of Koh Lipe. There's quite a few tourists, but the beaches are pretty spread out. You can find some space to yourself. But yeah, it's lovely and ready to get into this water. Check it out. It's the same as it felt everywhere else in Thailand so far, but it's amazing, absolutely amazing. I brought my snorkel as well, so you know, gonna get in the water and swim around here, see what's underneath. That was absolutely crazy. Seeing a stonefish. We don't want to see those guys. Well, actually, you do want to see them. You don't want to step on them. They're highly venomous, and I heard you'll be in a whole lot of pain if you step on one. So, yeah, just using my judgment right here, just looking around. I didn't know those guys existed out here. Anyway, pretty cool. I got about 30 more minutes here on Koh Adang, and then I'm gonna head back to Koh Lipe. Right about here is where I conclude my video here on Koh Lipe. I can totally see why they call it the Maldives of Thailand. It is a special island. It is a must-visit island, despite being the hardest to get to. Well worth the travel, well worth the journey. Anyway, I hope this video gives you a little insight on what the vibes are like here. Showed you some beautiful beaches, showed you some great food, and yeah, some amazing vibes. I absolutely love it here on this island. I'm sad to be going home. But one more stop on this journey. So if you're not subscribed to my channel, definitely do so you don't miss my future travels in Thailand and beyond. And of course, click the like button for me to help my channel grow. I really appreciate you all, and I will see you all in the next video.